Hey, what's up guys? It's Paul from Fashionia Develops. In this tutorial we're going to talk about pre-processing, and I'll just explain a little bit about pre-processing, and I know you'll understand everything about pre-processing in SAS. The other video that I did, the first tutorial I did, it was about how to get started with SAS. And if you haven't watched the video, just click the link under this video's description, and it will redirect you to a page where you'll watch how to get started with SAS, how to install these modules that we're using in our projects that renders the SAS and also refresh our page automatically, and these are light server and node-sass. Okay guys, so I know guys you find it fun to code with CSS. Yeah, it's fun coding with CSS because you style awesome stuff like awesome landing pages or awesome login headers, but sometimes you get it hard to maintain your code, and this is where preprocessor can help. SAS lets you use features such as mixing switcher functions in the SAS, or nestings, variables, inheritance, and other nifty goodies that make writing CSS fun again. The most direct way to make this happen is in your terminal, and as you can see here, I just wrote a code that renders our SAS file, watches our SAS file first if there's any changes, then renders our SAS file to a CSS file which we use in our browser. We don't use our SAS file in our projects, no browser, in our HTML page. We use our rendered CSS file in our page because HTML reads CSS file, not SAS file. So by doing this, we just write this code here as I explained in our first tutorial that I did. You write this code here, and once you write in your terminal npm run SAS, it will run this code, and whenever you change any code inside your scss file, it will watch, and if it sees a change inside your scss file, it will render to an app file. So by doing this, I just delete this file, okay, and remove all this code. So I'll just write this simple code here and just write margin zero pixel and padding 0 pixel. Once I'm done, when I save the file, you'll see the rendering process here. As you can see, a file has been written to css app/app.css, and when we check our browser, since it has been refreshed by our server here, there's no package that we download, light server, which refreshes the page automatically when you save when there is a change in any CSS, HTML or JavaScript file. It will refresh your page automatically, and as we can see here, we cannot note if there's any change made. So I'll just write a code here that makes us see the changes. Body, background, green. When I save it, as you can see, our browser is refreshing. When we come here, we see it was changed our page background to green. So the thing is, we link our CSS here, which is CSS app.css, that is rendered by app by node-sass to a CSS file, which is then used to our page. So that is how preprocessor helps and comes in node-sass. So guys, I hope to see you in another video to show you how to use variables in SCSS project.